Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. I can't believe we're in the second to last week of our course. This week we're going to talk about effective guidance interventions. So this is really sort of where the rubber meets the road, and it's about your actions and what you can do. So you are going to be reading chapter 10 from our text, and it's going to give you information about how and when to intervene with children and also how to shape positive behaviors. So it's not just about stopping negative behaviors, as we've talked about. It's about being proactive. And there are some supplemental materials, as usual, about understanding challenging behavior and also about happiness. So I would suggest, if you have time to watch them, they're pretty short, and I think that you'll enjoy them. So for our discussion this week, we're going to be talking about behaviors in an early childhood classroom that don't always need real intense interventions, and what kind of strategies you can use with the little kinds of behavior in a classroom, whether it be pushing or not sharing, those types of things, not major meltdowns. Feel free to post a video post if you would like. That's always nice. Otherwise, a written post is fine as long as you follow the discussion post guidelines. We're also going to be doing an assignment about shaping positive behavior. You can, as always, write a paper or use Prezi or Google Slides or a PowerPoint. Make sure that if you do use a presentation that it has an accompanying narration. And you're really going to talk about reactions that you will have that you need to be aware of to be a more effective teacher. And also, how can you model that positive behavior and positive language for your students? Make sure you give some very specific illustrations of how you would do that. I actually gave an example. If I demonstrate this specific behavior, if I speak in a quiet voice, then the students are more likely to, for instance, listen. That would be great. And we are in week 5, so this is our second to last week. I apologize for the mix-up with that week 3 assignment. Hopefully all of us got that straightened out, and I encourage all of you to consider that to be extra credit, unless of course you've had a very strong grade point average. In that case, you need to let me know if you're going to skip an assignment in week 5 or week 6. As always, I'm available via email, during office hours, or by a specially scheduled appointment to have a telephone conversation or a Zoom meeting. And I look forward to hearing from you and maybe even seeing some of you this week. Have a great week. Bye-bye.